Also tonight in Rockdale County, residents are continuing the cleanup process after this week's tornado ripped through homes and businesses. At this hour, several streets are covered with fallen trees and debris remain closed. 11 Alive's Teresa Bowles is live in Conyers with where things are. Teresa, they've been working all Saturday trying to get things cleaned up.
That's right, Latasha. I am here on McDaniel Mill Road in Conyers, and all the roads are open, but crews are going to have to continue to work to clear debris and trees like this enormous one that fell on a house on this road. Residents tell me that some of them are still without power and without a way to pay for this damage. Gary Williams' house on McDaniel Mill Road was supposed to be passed down to his son.
Now I'm buying materials for the house, trying to get it back together before it rains next Wednesday.
Because an EF2 tornado ripped through.
All the pine cones were slamming into the house so hard, it sounded like huge boulders.
Changing Williams' plans and likely the plans for the entire Briarwood community.
Tore up part of the roof, snatched my power line and breaker over there off. Tore up the fences. Trees uprooted. My living room was flooded.
And I opened the front door and all that was there was trees, just trees everywhere. We couldn't get out of the driveway for, Wednesday and Thursday.
County officials spent Saturday morning cleaning up. Rockdale County Emergency Management Director Meredith Barnum saying, quote, "We have several nonprofit volunteer groups working with citizens to remove debris from private property and move it to the right-of-way for collection."
They worked hard. They really did, and they worked through the night.
The trees may be out of the way, but the price to fix the damage they knocked through is coming out of Williams' pockets.
Electrical, I had to repay, pay for that, and that was like $6,000.
Williams said while the Red Cross helped, he was disappointed the county or state couldn't too.
They told me no state funding and they don't have no disaster relief. It's like a slap in the face to me.
He said it will take months of work to get back to normal. Though several neighbors are pleased with the first steps,
I appreciate everything.
Others, while grateful to be alive, were hoping for more.
It's like you just stuck. The house we can repair, but life we can't give back.
EMA Director Barnum said that this work will continue Monday so that they can remove some of the larger trees and stumps like this. Live in Conyers, Teresa Bowles, 11 Alive News.
Thank you, Teresa. For anyone who needs it, there is a disaster relief shelter at Conyers Methodist Church on Main Street. And if you would like to help those who've been impacted by this week's tornado in Rockdale County, text STORM to 404-885-7600. We'll send a list of resources that are available.